Mission provides food, shelter, and care to anyone in this community that needs it. We're there to help people experiencing homelessness. But we can't do that without the community's support. So having a partner like MHS is vital to make sure that our doors are open and everybody that needs help can receive that help. MHS is one of the best sponsors we have that comes out and engages at our event. When it comes to our expo, they come out with some friendly faces, a full staff that comes out to greet our event participants. They hand out some fun swag. They make our events better with their involvement and their effort at all of our events. So we're happy to have them as a part of our lead sponsorship group. And again, when sponsors make the event better, the events draw more money, and we're able to help more people who are experiencing homelessness. By the time they finish our programs and they go back out into this community, they're equipped to be productive citizens, enjoying lasting success. And so that's what we love to see. We love to see people come to us needing help, hope, and healing, and to leave with hope and with opportunities in front of them and with a new life. Thank you, MHS, for supporting Wheeler Mission and allowing us to serve people who are experiencing homelessness in this community.